Once upon a time in the quaint village of Meadowbrook, two adventurous siblings, Max and Lily, discovered a secret path in their garden. It was summer vacation, and they were searching for a new adventure. One sunny morning, as they played hide-and-seek, Max stumbled upon a narrow trail hidden behind their grandmother's blooming rose bushes. "Lily, come quick!" Max shouted. Curiosity sparkling in her eyes, Lily dashed over, and the siblings decided to follow the mysterious path. The trail led them through a maze of tangled vines and towering sunflowers until they reached an old, forgotten treehouse nestled within the branches of a gigantic oak tree. The treehouse looked worn but magical, like something out of their bedtime stories. Max, the more daring of the two, climbed up first. The wooden planks creaked under his feet. Lily hesitated, but seeing Max wave encouragingly from above, she quickly joined him. Inside the treehouse, they found a dusty bookshelf filled with ancient books. At the center of the room sat a peculiar globe that glowed warmly. As Max touched the globe, a gentle voice whispered, "Welcome, young adventurers." Suddenly, they were no longer in Meadowbrook. They stood in the midst of an enchanted forest. Birds sang harmoniously, and friendly woodland creatures peered at them from behind the emerald foliage. A fox with a gleaming coat and wise eyes approached them. "Welcome to the Enchanted Realms," he said, introducing himself as Felix. Felix explained that the treehouse was magical, transporting those with curious hearts and brave spirits to wondrous places. However, the magic was slowly fading, and it needed a special gem known as the Heart of Adventure to restore it. With Felix as their guide, Max and Lily embarked on a journey through the mystical forest. They encountered talking trees that whispered riddles, crossed sparkling streams filled with leaping fish, and even befriended a jittery squirrel who showed them hidden shortcuts. As they ventured deeper, they arrived at the crystal caves. There, amidst the shimmering stalactites, lay the Heart of Adventure, its glow illuminating the cavern with a warm, pulsing light. Suddenly, a mischievous goblin appeared, demanding a toll to pass. Remembering the riddles taught by the talking trees, Lily cleverly outwitted him with a riddle of her own, and the goblin, defeated but good-natured, allowed them to take the gem. As the sun began to set, the siblings found themselves back in their garden. The treehouse, though ordinary once more, held the promise of more magical adventures in the days to come. "Let's come back tomorrow," Lily said excitedly, and Max nodded. With hearts full of wonder and excitement, they returned to their cozy home, ready to dream of their next treehouse adventure.